on, the resignation of 8 MLAs has reduced actor Vijay Kant's DMDK strength in the assembly to 20. As per Rule 2.0 of Tamil Nadu Assembly rules, Speaker P. Dhanapal has declared that Vijay Kant has lost the status of leader of opposition and other benefits. Assembly Secretary AMP Jamaluddin said that in a statement.
No, this is a small thing. See, these ADMK MLAs, these DMDK MLAs, 8 MLAs and 2 other MLAs from different parties have resigned, and they are about to join the ADMK because they will get their seat next time. Vijay Kant, he has lost his leader of the opposition status. Doesn't make anything because after all, the term of the assembly is going to expire in 3 months from now.
DMDK's Vijay Kant is keeping both the DMK and the BJP guessing about his alliance preferences. At the public meeting held by the DMDK yesterday in Kanchipuram, he has said that he and his cadre want him to be the king and not the kingmaker, which means that he wants to be the CM candidate. But then we'll have to wait and see whether it can realistically happen, considering that only an alliance, a combination of various political parties, could probably put up the fight against the ADMK. On the other hand, DMK is still very hopeful that DMDK will join hands with them. With video journalist Bala Subramanian, this is Priyambada in Chennai for News X.
Obviously, Tamil Nadu elections have a lot of heated sentiment where there are people who are pro the government, anti the establishment, and people who are trying to ascertain their own space. I think the electorate of Tamil Nadu is extremely assertive and intelligent and knows that a vote wasted would be a vote gone in vain for 5 years. So I'm sure they will think before falling into any trap, and thinking and voting so that there is a stable mandate that ensures good leadership in Tamil Nadu.
I think the ADMK party has always suppressed or oppressed the opposition parties in the Tamil Nadu whenever it has been their their trademark action. Whenever there is a third party which is have considerable number of MLA seats, they will split it. It earlier happened with Congress party. They even called it J Congress. It went to that extent. I think similar ploy has been played out here. But Vijay Kant has emerged stronger than this. I know it is shame on those MLAs who got elected on the face value, on the party based upon